Hello everyone, I am Noinika Mukherjee from Institute of Engineering and Management Kolkata, and I am here to present before you my presentation on air pure. We humans have fought in reaching our comfort zone by inventing vehicles and using different industrial things and so on. But now these things are only striking us back. In India, more than 660 million people fails to breathe India's natural air quality standard. Nitro compounds like carbon dioxide, concentrated sulfuric acid, and concentrated nitric acid, and so on, which exploits from industries, vehicles, and so on. If made to reduce, then it can lead up to 4.7 years of life increment. Almost more than half of the cities in India is in adverse ramification, which has reached critical level of particulate matter, and if not controlled, it would lead to a worse consequences. Next, the National Air Quality Monitoring Program also stated that 63 cities with critical level, 36 cities with high level, and 19 cities at moderate level has reached the adverse level of particulate matter. Here shown some of the statistical data taken from the West Bengal, some of the places like Baliganj and Howrah. Here you can see the air quality index has raised up to a very high level in very early morning. So let's have a look into the work done abroad. The world's largest purification tower, the China Tower, built by Kaohsiung, specifically for controlation and purification of smog. Here, the pollutant air is sucked in and heated up by solar energy, and it has successful in cleaning up to 10 million cubic meter area up till now. And the designer, Dam Rosengart, has succeeded in making the same known as Rosengart Tower, which is 23 feet tall and with a lightweight construction. But the best part in it is that the output pollutant matter is reshaped into a ring formation induced with a high pressure so that it could not further pollute the environment. The proposed tower Air Pure has three setups. First of all, the cylindrical casing, then the spiral casing, and then the suction fan. Spiral casing consists of three zones. So let's see. Zone 1. This zone deals with the treatment of particulate matter of 2.5 to 10 by using HEPA filter. This filter removes 99.97% of allergens of dia 0.3 micron and also helps in removal of bacteria, viruses, pollens, dust, and so on. Zone 2. This zone deals with the treatment of HCHO and TVOC, and for this it is mounted with catalytic activities, the dust filters, and so on. It is capable of cleaning highly efficient surface barriers filtration along with catalytic destruction of 170 to 450 degrees Celsius of harmful gases by exaggerating thermal process. Zone 3. Finally, the left out carbon dioxide is further purified by adsorption process by using activated carbon filters. As we all know that the carbon has a specific tendency of striking on the surface, so this process is best suitable for exaggeration of carbon dioxide. Now let's see the external parts of the proposed tower. The first of all comes the cylindrical tower casing. It is the external cylindrical casing, and the internal parts which it consists is the filter arrangement, suction fan, and motor. The closed cylindrical system helps to follow the passage of air directly into the filter with help of suction fan. The next is the suction fan and the solar panel. The suction fan is set at the bottom of the setup. This setup helps in generation of upward pressure and pushing the air and helps in pushing the air in upward direction. The solar panel here helps to take the natural resources and to run the process. Next, the cooling arrangement. Channelization of air is important as in the second zone of the spiral casing generates too much heat, so that coil of running water is being provided around the cylindrical casing. Further, geothermal reservoirs would be used as a heat sink which will recycle back to the setup using pump. Here you can see some of the designs which are done on the SolidWorks as the outer cylindrical casing, 3-zone filter arrangement, closed view of the filter of 0.3 microns. Next, the tower integrated with filter arrangement and the suction fan. Sectional view of AirPure tower. Bottom view of tower with suction fan and the AirPure tower mounted with the solar panels. The proposed tower, that is AirPure, is different in comparison with the China Tower and Rosenwood Tower, as that they only purify the smog, but in this tower, in this case, helps in purification of particulate matter, HCHO, smog, carbon dioxide, TVOC, and so on. Even bacteria, viruses, pollens also. Some of the research are still going on in this process, so it will continue to be as stated. Potential areas of application where we can use the proposed tower, that is AirPure, is that the industrial sites, plants with polluted air expulsion into the environment, open outdoor parks, large residential societies area, and even can be used indoors if it manufactured on a very small scale. Thank you.